Alright, it's pouring rain outside. And no better place to get from some glass elevators at the Carriage Park Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. But Mom, look, let me show Mom.
Daddy, no, take a picture of it.
Mom, write down the above. Let's see.
I can't read it.
Elevator, fire, emergency, day 155.
Uh-huh.
That's in January 5th.
Yes, okay.
Might be probably out of service or something. Still the sign says all the times. This might be from the rooftop access. Mash the button. Let's see. They try and fix the door timer. They fixed it, Mom. Carriage Park, you did a good job on this original elevator. What? And the carriage messed up. All right, Mom, hold the door. Let's look above the door, operator. Yeah, it started to rust. That's why they're getting modernized.
Yeah, there's a chain right there, too.
Let's go back down to G. It's a nice elevator. Mm-hmm. There's Mom. Hello.
Hello.
There's your certificate. Inspection. Grand.
Inspection.
5,000 pounds capacity.
Oh, hold on a second.
Hold the door.
Inspection. Okay.
Okay. Yep. It has a bouncy elevator. This one has a bounced elevator.
Make sure you come on and go to the handrails.
I am.
China number here has been replaced, right?
See, there's a chain.
There's a chain right there, which is the rooftop is closed due to the machine room upstairs.
Mm-hmm. Did you take a picture of the chain?
I took a still of the chain. This is just like the other car, the other elevator car. Again, there's Mom. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa! It bounced.
It bounced.
But Dad says it's jerky.
It bounced. It came down.
Watch your clothes.
The other day. But it's closing better now.
Yep.
No.
See, it doesn't slam.
Yeah, just like the other car.
Okay, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Okay. Shut it off.
That's it.
That's it.
But if we get looking outside, we get soaking wet.
Well, keep the camera dry.
So and there it goes. Ooh, sprinkling. Ooh, fire truck.
I won't be able to see it because of the truck and button.
Yeah.
Can you go that way?
No.
Probably. It's probably that side. Oh, I see it. There's a fire truck. There it goes.
Somebody decided to start a fire in the rain.
Jeffrey? Okay, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Stop, Mark. Are you done with the camera?
And there it goes.
Okay.
And the other one's parked out there.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, I want him to close it and put it in the bag. And
All done.
So
all
that's,
done.
That's it.
That's it.